Hello students, welcome to grammar class. In this video, we'll see about the adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency are used to say how often something happens. Some of the common adverbs of frequency are always, usually, normally, generally, often, frequently, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, hardly ever, rarely, and never. How often does he get good marks in exams? Always. When something happens 100% of the time, then we use the word always. See the next one. I usually go to the library. How often do you go to the library? Usually. So usually refer to about 90%. For example, in 7 days, if you go to the library 6 days, you can use this word, I usually go to the library. Then next is, they sometimes go out for dinner. How often do they go out for dinner? Sometimes. So sometimes in the sense about 50%. So 50% in the sense in a month, 15 days, if someone go out for dinner, they can use this word sometimes. We rarely watch horror movies. How often do we watch horror movies? Rarely. So rarely is an adverb of frequency. It is about 5%. Then next is, she never drinks tea. Here, how often does she drink tea? Never. Never is the adverb of frequency. Never indicates 0%. It is opposite to always. Now we'll see where to place this adverb of frequency in a sentence. That is the correct word order or a sentence pattern. First subject, then adverb, then main verb. So this adverb of frequency comes after the subject. Example, we normally reach school on time. He often reads newspaper. She occasionally eats junk food. So here normally indicates about 80% and often indicates about 70% and occasionally refers to about 30% of the time. Then in some other cases, if there is an auxiliary verb and a main verb, then we have to place the adverb of frequency in between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. See the example given here. They have never eaten junk food. She has always been a good friend. He can sometimes beat me in a race. So, in these sentences, we will see that the adverb of frequency is placed in between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For be form verb functions as a main verb in a sentence, then we will have to write the adverb of frequency after the be form verb. For example, I am usually late for abacus class. She is often early for dance class. Tom was never happy to see Sid. Now we'll see about those adverbs of frequencies which can be used in the beginning of the sentence. Some adverbs of frequency which can be written before the subject are usually, frequently, normally, generally, occasionally, and sometimes. The correct word order is adverb plus subject plus main verb. See the example. Frequently, I visit my grandparents. Normally, she cooks food at home. Generally, he is late. In all these sentences, the adverb of frequency is written in the beginning of the sentence to give more emphasis. There are some adverbs of frequency which should not be used in the beginning of a sentence. They are always, seldom, rarely, hardly ever, and never. Thanks for watching.